Welcome to all. Our class will continue, Engineering Mechanics. Today, question number 50. We are in method of sections, almost closing stages. Some more questions are there. Last week I told, actually I had little health issues, some fever, cold, cough was there, and also in between 3-4 days I was out of station. That's why I could not upload 4-5 days, past 4-5 days, could not upload any classes. Now I am back here, I'll continue. Okay. Question 50. Find axial forces in members BF, see here, BF, DF and CD, one group. Second question, AF, EF and CE by method of sections. This is the pin jointed frame given. See now, this is a question given. Now something important is there. Important, see. See, one hinge here, one roller here. So slight change in the arrangement. Usually see, if hinge is here, roller comes here. Now roller is there. Sometimes it happens that way, be careful. Now, more important is, see, 2.5 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. I wrote 4 meter here. No, it is wrong. I cannot write 4 meter. I just wrote deliberately 4 meter. No, this is wrong. I cannot give 4 meter there. See, because, see here, you draw AF, AE equal to 2.5, equal to 3. Go by height 3 meters. See, mark A, E, C, 2.5 and 3. Go up by 3, you get this point. Come left by 3, you get this point. Join these 2 points, continue, see, and then intercept this vertical line. So, this distance people cannot give randomly. Sometime in a hurry, people give. See, they will take some random. Anyway, they will think, okay, take some distances. No. See, for all these, mathematical knowledge required. Once or when a question is given, they should know whether it is correct or not, data. So therefore, remember now, I deliberately gave 4 meter first. See, deliberately, see, I rubbed it there. I deliberately gave 4, but actually it is not 4. Okay. Actually it is not given. See, that's all question given here. See, now, class, calculation of support reactions. As usual, this all I won't waste time. Hinged support, vertical reaction, horizontal reaction, roller support, perpendicular to plane, RB equal to HB. I will take this way, vertical VA upward, HA right side. Okay, this all mechanical. See, now put a sketch. See, this is the sketch for finding support reactions and also the sketch for reference for method of sections. Now see here correctly. Make a note. I will tell something in the class now. We will take moment about A. See, sigma m about A equal to 0, clockwise positive. Why A? I will tell. See, when you take moment about, see here, A has got 2 unknowns, VA, HA. B has 1 unknown. So if I take moment about A, VA into 0, HA into 0, you get the value of HB. But by chance, if you take moment about B, see then VA will come, HA will come. You won't get the answer, but nothing to worry. If you take moment about B, VA and HA, one equation will come. When you make sigma V0, VA will come. When you make sigma H0, HA and HB will be connected. So I already told long back, many times, when you take moment, when you consider moment or when you consider moment equilibrium, sigma m equal to 0, always take moment about the point where there are more number of unknowns. See here, more number of unknowns at A. So make a note here, more number of unknowns at A. So take moment about A. Okay, now class, when you take moment about A, see here, 5 into 2.5 clockwise, 6 into 5.5 clockwise, 8 into 3 clockwise, 10 into 2.5 clockwise, 12 into 3 anti-clockwise, see minus. This all you know it, but what about HB? HB into, see, moment about this point, HB into this full height required. That height is not known. So make a note, space is not there. Before you find what? Before you find support reaction, you first find what is that height BD. What is BD equal to? How much is BD? See correctly. Space problem is there. I will tell you how to get BD. See here. You use similar triangles. I write somewhere here. The space problem. Okay, here I write. I write here now. Okay. Use similar triangles. See here. See AEF and ACB. See. Therefore, see, one triangle is here. This triangle, AEF. Other one is ACB. Then you get, see, FE divided by 2.5. See here, or you can write here. Okay, method of sections. Okay, one thing. This is B. Method of sections. Okay, space problem. Now see here, FE divided by AE, see correct clear, FE divided by AE, see FE divided by AE equal to BC divided by AC. Now FE equal to, see, 3 meter, AE equal to, see, 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter. BC, then which one? BC divided by AC. AC equal to 5.5 meter. See, AC equal to 5.5 meter. Meter I won't write. Okay, meter. Therefore, you will get the value of BC. See, BC will come in meter. It will come, I know the answer, it will come 6.6 meter. I already calculated. BC will come 6.6 meter. Therefore, here you mark one more thing here. See, this is 3 meter given in the question. This is 3 meter and this full is 6.6 meter. 6.6 meter. Or you can do one more thing. So, in case you want this distance from here to here, it will be from 6.6 subtract 3, it will be 3.6 meter. Make a note. See, you got full 6.6 meter. This is 3. This is 3.6 meter. You require later. See, that later you require the distance here. You require it 3.6 meter. Okay, now nothing to worry. Take moment. Minus HB into how much? 6.6. See here, HB into 6.6. Be careful. I'll write here. It's more important. See, when you take moment about A, it is minus HB into, I'll use red color, 6.6, which is calculated distance. See, HB into 6.6. Okay, then remaining I told you, you get the value of HB. Sigma H0, sigma V0. Now I need not explain. Question number 50. And support reactions are found so many times earlier. If somebody cannot do all these things, still if they want me to explain, better you know what I will tell. Okay. So all reactions will come. Then first of all, I should not have done anything. I should have told you how to get this height, and then directly I should have given the answer. Okay, then height came. Now, next remember, see, there is one inclined member here. You require this angle, theta 1, you calculate. Tan theta 1 equal to 3 divided by 2.5. That's how I got 50.194 degrees. Show the calculation, don't copy. And tan theta 2 equal to 3 divided by 3, therefore 45 degrees. So later remember, for this member, this line, angle with horizontal is 50.194. and for this one it is 45 degrees. Okay, now correctly start. Calculation of axis, don't see that side, see, this I will tell you later. This I will tell you later, don't see that side. Calculation of axial forces, see, we are in method of sections. Axial forces in members, which one? BF, DF and CD by method of sections. Explained so many times. Right here. You write this sketch here. Consider equilibrium of pin jointed frame. Sorry, first before that one. Consider section XX cutting these three members. See here. Cut. Okay. XX. Cut it. Cut this member. This is all mechanically thousands of times over now. Okay, now see. Consider equilibrium of pin jointed frame to right side of XX. Easier. Okay. So D intact. See, 12 kilonewton. HB will come known value. This height is 3.6. Then see, we are going to cut this member. This member is cut here. Extend further. Force for BF. Cut here. Extend here. Force for DF. Extend here. Force for DC. If this is not clear, you are not fit to study anything from me. After so many times to telling, first of all, I should stop now. Okay, start now, correctly. See, three unknowns are there. Among the three unknowns, see where two unknown forces are meeting. Correctly here. PDF and PDC are meeting at D. So take moment about D. Why D? I told in the class, see, always first consider sigma m0 about the point where at least two unknowns are meeting. So D. But when you take moment about D, see, PDF is an inclined force. So what you require is, if you go to basic concept, you make a note here. From here, drop a perpendicular. See, perpendicular H. You mark H here, perpendicular mark. Now, you require H. For that one, you require this angle. See, this angle you require. This is not 50.194. See, this is 50.194. That angle equal to 90 minus 50.194. 90, be careful. 90 minus 50.194 is 39 point. See, this angle is with 39.806 degrees. Now what you do is, you write a statement here. What? When you take moment about D, see, PBF into perpendicular will come. So from D, you should write all the statement. Drop perpendicular H. Then see this triangle. So sine of how much? 39.806 equal to H divided by 3.6. 3.6. Therefore, you will get the value of where H will come now. Where I will write H now? Space problem is there. Okay. I write here. Therefore, I write here H will come. I noted the answer there. 2.3047 meter. 2.3047 meter. Show the calculation. Okay. Now, see, take moment about this point. Minus PDF into H minus 8.864 into 3.6 equal to 0. You know the value of H. See, the H value is known for you. Substitute for H. PBF will come minus 13.846 kilonewton. Okay. Now, or you write all these, then write or people who find difficulty for all these, remove it. No perpendicular. See here. No this angle, nothing. You go to original sketch. See here. What you do is, this PBF is possible. You mark a point or consider a point through which unknown is passing. This point. Here, this force has got one horizontal component like this and one vertical component like this. See, this is cos, this is sine. This is all 1,000 times over. Then, when you take moment about this point, see here, minus PBF into cos of 50.194, where is it here? I wrote here, see, or minus PBF into cos 50.194 into 3.6, then minus 8.864 also into 3.6 equal to 0, your PBF will come 13.846 kilonewton. I think majority of people tell, sir, this is better. Okay, done. Now simple. Sigma V0 upward positive. See, start. Unknown first. Minus PDC minus PBF sine of this angle. That's all. Nothing else is there. No. Nothing is there. That's all. Only 2 equal to 0. See, now you know the value of which one? You know the, see correctly how I explain right that way. See, PBF is already known. You got it here. See, here space problem is there. So how I explain that way right. PBF is known. Substitute, you get the value of PDC. Sigma H equal to 0. Take right side positive. Minus PDF, see, minus PDF, minus PBF cos of this angle, and then minus 8.864, minus 12 equal to 0, but you already know the value of PBF here. Substitute that PBF, you get PDF equal to minus 12 kilonewton. Okay, now do one thing. Last step, write the answer. I told so many times, when you consider the force acting away from this cut section, you are considering axial force in the member to be tensile. Thousands of times told. So if you get positive, means it is tensile without sign. Don't put, if you get negative, don't write negative tense compression. If you get negative, you do not use negative sign in the answer. Don't consider negative, but write the answer compression. Okay. Therefore, result. Axial force in AF. Where is AF? See, AF is, where is AF here. Where is A? It's not AF actually, sorry. It is BF. Sorry, this is actually wrong writing. Earlier I took other way. Okay. Axial force in BF. Okay. BF. Then DF. And then lastly CD. Okay. See now. Axial force in BF. 13.846 kilonewton. 13.846 kilonewton. See, negative sign, negative sign came, that much. Compression, right there. Axial force in DF. Where is DF? Minus 12. So, 12 kilonewton. Compression. Axial force in last member, CD. CD or DC here. 10.637 plus came. So, 10.637 kilonewton. That much tension is the answer. Okay, over. Now, one more member is pending. Okay, which one now? Second one. See, second one. I'll finish now. Calculation of axial force in the member. See, which one they want? BAF. See here correctly. AF. After AF, EF. EF and CE. And CE. By method of sections. Do one thing, if you are really serious, you should remove this one. See, fresh question, don't see here. Write the sketch once again. Do not write the sketch once again and neatly show the calculation. Now I do one thing, to save the time, I will write and explain because my time also counts. We are doing for how many times you are doing this one? Now, second one, when my voice is not proper because of cold is not completely cured. So you can hear some choking voice is there. So manage with it. See. Second one, calculation of axial force in members, all I told. These three members I told. See, which one? One more sketch you require. This member, this one. See, cut like this. Now, consider section XX cutting above 3 members. See, class. If you look that side, see, so many things you can see. Look this side. So consider equilibrium of the pin jointed frame to lower side. I told you which side is easier, look that side. So look to lower side. When you look to lower side, see, A intact, E intact. Okay, enter here. This angle is known. Then this force, that side, force for AF, force EF, force EC. Okay. Now, as usual, 3 unknowns are there. See, 2 unknowns are meeting at the point E. So take moment about E. See, moment about E. YE, I am telling in the class. Among these 3 unknowns, 2 are passing here. Now do one thing. See, make a note. When you take moment about E, this PAF is inclined force. You require perpendicular. But so many people don't like it. So do one thing. This time, easy solution. What you do? See, this PAF is passing through A. So here, one horizontal component cos, vertical component sin you write here. Okay, then if you take moment about this point, see here, this vertical component, how much it is? PAF sin of this angle into 2.5, then horizontal component into 0. Why? See, horizontal component passes here. Even 12.864 also into 0. Then plus 21 into 2.5. 21, 2.5 equal to 0. Substitute, you get PAF equal to minus 27.336 kilonewton. Or those who want more concept, right here. Or see, I will dictate. From E, you drop perpendicular. See, it's perpendicular. Then, see here, this is 2.5. This perpendicular is H. See the triangle here. Then what you get? Sin of 50.194 equal to H divided by 2.5. Your H will come, how much? 50.194 into, sin of 2.5 into sin of 50.194, that H will come 1.9205 meter. Then if you take moment, see, PAF into that perpendicular height, so reciprocal into 21 into 2.5, 27.336, same answer. Okay. Then sigma V0, I should not explain, waste of time. Sigma H0, now if somebody wants to explain, sir, see, when you do sigma V0, PAF is already known. See, black tick means what? Already known. See, in the beginning, I used to write substituting the value of PAF. That was very systematically solved earlier. But now we reach a stage where we cannot afford to waste time unnecessarily. So, make sigma V0, substitute for PAF, get PEF, sigma S0, again PEF, AF will come, substitute, get the answer. Now, lastly, presentation. But to do one thing, before that, something I will tell in the class now. See, 1 minute, I will get my calculator. 1 minute. Okay. Make a note. See, now everything is over. Presentation is pending. Okay, do one thing. Make a note. This question we are not solved by method of joints. But you can solve. Therefore, all those people who are serious about knowledge, do one thing. As soon as you get the reaction, draw a neat sketch here. This is called star sketch. See, star sketch. Enter all the reaction here, enter the angle, and happily find axial forces in all members by method of joints. I will do one thing. As usual, you know it. I never show the calculation. I will use directly by calculator. But earlier all, I even told you how to solve directly by calculator for lengthy questions. This is nothing. Still see, I am not going to see this answer now. I will independently solve. Okay, start. Do not bother what I am doing. I will do whatever way I feel. 5 kilonewton. See, these are shortcuts. I know the answer. 12 kilonewton. 21 divided by sine 50.194. 27.336. How I solve, you never bother. Into cos 50.194 is 17 minus 12.864 is 4.636. Divided by cos 50.194. 13.846. See, this all should give you confidence. See, you should think, when this person can do directly without writing anything, why don't we also try? You should have the spirit. One fine day, at least we want to match him. Okay, at least if not try to match me, come near to me. That challenge should be there. Okay, leave it into sine 50.194, 10.637. All over 10.637 kilometer. Oh, one member missing here. What is there? Up means down. Up, same. 10.637 kilonewton. Okay. These are the forces in the axial forces in the members I got by method of joints using only calculator without writing anything. Okay, now do one thing. Okay, leave it. Start. Now, see, this was the answer for last time. Check the answer. Last time. PF 13.846 compression. Yes. DF 12 compression. Oh, yes. CD 10.637 tension. See here. Yes. Now come to this question. Last question. Don't see there. Axial force in BF. BF. Where is BF here? Where is BF here? Is it BF or AF? It is AF, I think. Okay, sorry. It is AF. Sorry, it is not BF. I have to change it now. See, it is axial force in AF. Okay, I use green color. AF, then, okay, green color. EF and then CE. Okay, I will put the answer. Not seeing there. AF. 27.336 negative sign came. So 27.336 kilonewton compression. Yes. In EF, 5 kN tension. Yes. In CE, 4. Here should not see there. Sorry. Here you see. That is checking. 4 point. I am seeing there because I know it will come same. See, for me, that or this both are same. Okay. 4.636 kilonewton. Here, solution you should see. 4.636 kilonewton plus came tension. Yes. Perfectly matching. Now, those who are serious, solve this question by method of joints also. Okay. Even actually today only I came back feeling little tired after night journey all. So I cannot take more time now. And my voice is not fully proper today. Another 1 or 2 days it will take to heal. So till that time, little lightly I will talk. Then I will talk with the usual way. Okay. Now solve all these questions. Solve everything and we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Remember, very fast we are entering strength of materials.